In this video, we're diving into BuiltWith, a tool that reveals the technology stack behind any website. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you understand and leverage technology for smarter business decisions. Now, have you ever visited a competitor's website and wondered how they built it? Or maybe you're researching potential clients and you need to understand what software they use. BuiltWith promises to give you the information with a simple search. So today, we'll explore how to use BuiltWith, why the information matters, and what you can do with it. Why knowing a website's tech stack is useful. Technology decisions shape how a website performs, functions, and scales. For marketers and sales teams, understanding a prospect's tech stack can inform your pitch. If you sell a marketing tool that integrates with Shopify, knowing that a prospect uses Shopify is crucial. For developers, seeing the frameworks and libraries a site uses can help you estimate the complexity of a project. For competitive research, insights into a rival's tools reveal how they manage analytics, advertising, and customer support. BuiltWith collects data on millions of websites, including the content management systems, server software, analytics tools, marketing pixels, security certificates, and more. By analyzing a site's code and HTTP headers, it compiles a profile that anyone can search. Let's look at how to access this information. Getting started with BuiltWith. Step 1, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to create a profile and get started with BuiltWith. Open your browser and navigate to that link. You'll see a search bar at the top of the page asking for a URL or keyword once you log in. Step 2, enter a URL. Type in the domain name of the website you want to analyze. For example, if you're curious about the tech behind a popular online store, enter examplestore.com and then click lookup button or press enter. BuiltWith will start scanning the site within seconds and you'll see a page summarizing the technologies detected. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I have recently been obsessed with Element. They're delicious. I love them. And it's just such a simple product and they're making a boatload of money. Let's look up LMNT net worth. Let's go Element annual revenue. Okay, annual approximately 78 million in the year ending 2022, and they're selling salt. Let that sink in for a second. So anyways, let's go ahead. We'll copy their URL and we'll go ahead and paste it right here and click on lookup. And here we go. Now we're met with everything that they use. So under this technology profile, we can see under analytics and tracking, they use Klaviyo, Elevar, Facebook Pixel, Facebook Signal, Google Site Tag. We keep scrolling down, we can go to widgets, and this is where they have all these different widgets. If we scroll down to e-commerce, we can see that they're on the Shopify Plus plan. If we scroll down, we can see what they use for their frameworks, what they use for mobile, Apple mobile web clips icon, and you can just see what they use for their content delivery network. See what they use for their payment. They have Apple Pay, Euro, Google Pay, Shopify Pay, PayPal Express checkout, more stuff under their contact management system, JavaScript libraries, advertising, verified link, SSL certificates, email hosting providers, web hosting providers, name server, web servers, operating systems, CDN, more CDN stuff. So again, just with a simple click right there, we can see every piece of technology that Element is using to bring in just under $80 million a year. Now, obviously there's more to it than the tech, but this is a good way to look behind the curtain. Step 3, understand the profile layout. So BuiltWith organizes information into categories such as content management system. So this section identifies platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or custom CMSs. You can also look at server and hosting. So information on web servers like Apache, Nginx, IIS, hosting providers, and IP location. You get analytics and tracking. So like the tools for gathering visitor data, including like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, etc. What advertising networks they're using. So you can get details on whether the site uses Google AdSense, programmatic ad platforms, or affiliate networks. You can also see the e-commerce, what they use, so the software related to shopping carts, payment gateways, and fulfillment services, as well as JavaScript libraries, so frameworks like React, Vue, or jQuery, along with smaller libraries. You can see what security and performance they use, so SSL certificate provider, CDN servers, like Cloudflare and optimization tool. So each category can expand to reveal specific services. So for example, under email hosting, BuiltWith may list Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. The profile also shows how long the technologies have been detected on the site, which can reveal if the site recently switched providers. Step 4, review additional tabs below the main profile summary. Now you might see tabs like performance or SEO. These provide more details. Performance shows how many HTTP requests the site makes, the page size, and load times. SEO sections may limit meta tags, structured data, and canonical URLs. While BuiltWith isn't a full SEO tool, these insights can help you evaluate how a site's optimized for search engines. Using BuiltWith BuiltWith for competitive research. Understanding what tools your competitors use can guide your own technology decisions. Here's how to use BuiltWith for competitive analysis. Identify competitors. Make a list of sites in your industry. If you sell handmade jewelry, note the top websites that appear when you search for similar products. Analyze their tech stack. Use BuiltWith to look up each competitor. Note patterns. If multiple competitors use Shopify, that suggests it's a reliable platform for your niche. If they all run Facebook Pixel and marketing software, you know where to focus your marketing efforts. Spot opportunities. Look for gaps or outdated technology. If a competitor uses an older version of a CMS or lacks modern analytics tool, you may gain an edge by investing in more advanced solutions. If they use a popular chat widget, consider whether your audience would appreciate live chat on your website too. Understanding integrations. So many SaaS products integrate with specific platforms. If you see that your competitors use a tool that integrates seamlessly with your own offering, highlight that in your messaging. For example, if you sell a loyalty program that integrates with Shopify and you see a competitor uses Shopify but doesn't have a loyalty program, you can tailor your outreach accordingly. Lead generation with BuiltWith. So in addition to single website lookups, BuiltWith offers a lead generation feature. So sales teams can use this to build lists of websites that use or don't use certain technologies. Step 1, sign up for an account. So to access the lead list, you need a BuiltWith account, which you can access by clicking the link down below in the description. There's a free trial, but full access requires a subscription. Taking a look at their pricing, these are the different plans that they offer. You can swipe between per month or per year, where you're going to go ahead and get a discount when you pay annually. But take a look at the monthly plan. The basic option is $295 per month. The pro plan is $495 per month, and the team plan is $995 per month. With the basic plan, you get 2 technologies, 2 keywords, and 2 retail reports, and 1 system login. The pro plan gives you unlimited technologies, unlimited keywords, and unlimited retail reports. The team plan gives you everything in the pro, but you get unlimited system logins. Step 2, create a technology list. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to lead generation or technology lookup section. Enter the technology you care about, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or HubSpot. BuiltWith will generate a list of websites currently using that technology. Then you can filter the results by country, traffic ranking, and industry. Step 3, export leads. After applying filters, export the list in a CSV format. The data includes domain names, industry categories, estimated traffic, and the date the technology was first detected. Step 4, monitor technology changes. BuiltWith allows you to track when a site adds or removes technologies. If you're monitoring a prospective client, set up an alert to notify you if they change their e-commerce platform or marketing tool. This insight helps you time your outreach. When a site switches, they might be open to exploring new solutions. Exploring technology trends. Another feature of BuiltWith is technology trend analysis. The tool aggregates data across many different sites and shows which technologies are gaining or losing popularity. Step 1, access trends. On the BuiltWith websites, find the trends section. You may not need a subscription to view some basic data. So here you'll see charts showing the number of websites adopting technologies over time. For example, you might learn that Shopify adoption has increased steadily while a particular analytics tool is declining. Step 2, inform strategy. Use these trends to inform your own strategy. If a technology is growing quickly, it might indicate that more companies trust it. If you're building a SaaS product, integrating with trending platforms could help you tap into a growing user base. Conversely, if a technology's usage is falling, it might be a sign to look elsewhere. Using BuiltWith for cybersecurity and due diligence. Beyond sales and marketing, BuiltWith can aid in cybersecurity and investment analysis, security evaluation. By identifying the types of security certificates and protection services a site uses, you can assess its security posture. If a website doesn't use SSL or has outdated software, it may be more vulnerable. Cybersecurity researchers use this information to find targets for penetration testing or to advise clients to improve on their own defenses. Investment due diligence. Investors and venture capitalists sometimes use BuiltWith to access technology risk in potential investments. If a startup uses outdated or unsupported software, that might signal higher technical debt. On the other hand, a company using a robust, scalable stack might be more attractive. BuiltWith data can complement other due diligence steps. Advantages of using BuiltWith. Number 1, comprehensive technology profiles. BuiltWith identifies a super wide range of tools and services from CMS and hosting to niche marketing plugins. The amount of data is helpful for understanding a company's full tech stack. Lead generation. Sales teams appreciate the ability to build lists off prospects based on technology usage. It saves time compared to manual research. Market intelligence. Trends data helps companies stay aware of shifting technology landscapes. This can inform product development and partnerships. Competitive insights. Marketers and executives gain visibility into competitors' tools, which helps in strategy planning. Ease of use. use. The website interface is super simple and straightforward. Just enter a URL and get results in seconds. Even without an account, the basic lookup tool provides valuable information. Limitations and considerations. No tool is perfect, and BuiltWith has some limitations to be aware of. Cost. While the basic lookup is free, lead generation and full trend reports require a subscription that may be a bit too costly for some small businesses. Data accuracy. BuiltWith relies on scanning websites, which means it can miss technologies hidden behind firewalls or load them incorrectly if code is obfuscated. Some data can be outdated if a site removes a technology but retains references in its code. Privacy concerns. Exporting lists of websites and contacting them raises ethical considerations. Make sure to comply with data protection regulations and use contact information responsibly. Limited context. BuiltWith shows what technologies are present, but not why they are used. Knowing that a site uses a particular tool doesn't reveal how effectively they use it or if they're happy with it. No deep performance analysis. The performance insights are basic. If you need detailed performance diagnostics, you'll need to look at tools like Lighthouse or GT metrics. So who should use BuiltWith? BuiltWith serves a range of professionals, sales and business development teams. You can generate targeted lists of prospects based on technology usage and tailor outreach accordingly. Marketers. Gain competitive intelligence and discover what tools competitors rely on for advertising, analytics, and engagement. Developers and IT consultants. Understand the technical landscape of prospective clients or partners. Use this information to scope projects accurately. Investors and analysts. Assess technology risk and adoption trends. Use BuiltWith data as part of due diligence when evaluating startups or acquisitions. If you just need to look up a few websites occasionally, the free version of BuiltWith might be enough. If you're running targeted campaigns and you need detailed analytics, you may justify the subscription costs. Ethical and legal considerations. So when using tools like BuiltWith, it's important to respect privacy and legal boundaries. Scraping or storing data about other websites can raise concerns. BuiltWith complies with public data laws by only analyzing publicly accessible information. However, when you export lead lists and reach out to prospects, ensure that your outreach complies with regulations such as GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Personalize your communication and provide value to the recipient rather than just sending unsolicited spam. So BuiltWith is a powerful tool for unraveling the technology choices behind any website. With a simple lookup, you can see what CMS, analytics, advertising, and hosting services a site uses. For marketers and sales team, this knowledge translates into more targeted pitches and deeper competitive intelligence. For developers, it might provide insights into the architecture of potential projects. While the free version offers plenty of information, the premium features open up lead generation and trend analysis capabilities that can really streamline your business development efforts. As with any tool, the value you get from BuiltWith depends on how you use it. So treat the data as a starting point for conversation and research rather than an authoritative source on its own. So if you want to get started with BuiltWith, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.